So I didn't test these tutorials, and so it has come to my attention that there is an error that needs to be resolved. If you're using a Chromebook, there is going to be a slight problem with adding the artist and genre CSV files to your database. So I have the database on the Chromebook up to that point. I've established my relationships, I have my 3 tables, but they don't have any data in them. And what I have to do is I have to download these 2 files. So what I'll do is I'll just click on them, download link. I'm using a Chrome-based browser called Brave, so it should be the same if you're using Chrome. So I've saved them, and now I have 2 files here. But what's going to happen is, according to the tutorial, what you have to do is you have to open them in LibreOffice Calc. So if I open up my file manager, files, and I go to my downloads folder, where the files are, and I right click on it, and I say open with LibreOffice Calc. It will give me this error, general input-output error while accessing. So this is the problem. Let's, I don't know if that's just going to fail and stop doing that. Okay. Well, anyway, so here's the problem. LibreOffice is installed on this like Linux subsystem on the Chromebook, and so it is incapable of opening any files that aren't in the Linux partition. So that's right here. So Linux file. So basically, to fix this problem, I just have to take a genre CSV file and copy it into this part right here that says Linux files. And same with the artist one. Copy that into Linux files, and then pop over in there, and then try to open it. Open with LibreOffice Calc, and we should see it pop up as it's shown in the video. So I do apologize for this confusion. So I can Control A, copy, and then pop back over to here. Which one was that? That was the genres. So pop over here, genres, and right click, paste, and then append data, genres, next. That looks good. Create. Wrong data type. Genre ID. Yeah, anyway. It worked. It worked. It looked good. So I got an error, but it worked anyway. So my apologies. This is the workaround. This is how you can get it to work. It has everything to do with the permissions issue. There is a way to go into the system configuration so that any Linux applications can actually access any files on the Chromebook, but it requires going to some config files and doing some fiddling and futzing. It's not hard to do. It's just this is the quicker way. This is the quicker solution. So there it is. I hope this solves any problems that you guys may have been having, and let me know if you have any questions as soon as possible, because we're getting down to the end of the semester. Thank you very much, and have a good one.